In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Google Docs. We'll turn a regular document into a clean two-column layout that prints and folds like a booklet. Start with the document open in Google Docs. Move to File in the top left corner and choose Page Setup. This is where we set the foundation of the layout. In the Page Setup window, set all four margins, top, bottom, left, and right, to 0.5 inches. This gives you more room across the page while still leaving enough space so most printers won't cut anything off near the edges. If your printer needs a little more buffer, you can bump these back up later, but 0.5 is a great starting point. Leave the orientation and paper size as they are, unless you already know you need something specific. Click OK to apply, then head to the Format menu at the top. From Format, go to Columns, and then choose More Options. In the column options, set the number of columns to 2. Turn on the option that adds a line between the columns. That thin divider helps you visually separate the left and right panels of each page, which is especially handy when you're designing pages that will later be folded. You can always turn it off later if you prefer a cleaner look. Apply the settings, and your document now flows in 2 columns. To control where text moves from the left panel to the right panel, place your cursor where you want the split and go to Insert, then Break, and select Column Break. That forces everything after the cursor to begin at the top of the next column. Use this anytime you want to start a new page panel, like moving from a cover section to the inside spread. You now have a simple, printable booklet setup inside Google Docs. Add your headings, paragraphs, and images as you normally would. Keep an eye on where your columns end so that important content doesn't get split awkwardly. Using the ruler and showing document outline can help you stay organized while you design. When you're ready to print, choose two-sided printing and fold the pages down the center. If your printer offers a flip-on short edge option, that typically keeps both sides aligned correctly for booklets. Finally, save a copy or export to PDF so you have a shareable version with the layout preserved. That's it, your booklet layout is ready to go.